Alkaline. That style now work. Take it from me. Working.
A few moments later.
Alkaline deserved the credit and all of that what him get. But 2 years out of, if you run the place for 2 years out of your career versus we have multiple artists who run the place for a decade. Then it's like this are the year you have to kind of
Move your pussy wall and come down.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
When you don't know Media Fox, you know, yeah man, you know things that people. Yo, may I tell you, if Hypocrite was a person, you see that brother, yeah? Trust me, may I tell you people. But look here, we are going to video, because I have to hear these people. May I tell you now, some joke thing this. May I tell you, if this a vision of them have, trust me, enough of them artists, yeah, now go have past 5 years in them career, the way how them talk, because them a look on a narrative a way, and the way how Alkaline do him thing, and to the level him reach, them no want the other rest of youth them reach that level there, the way how them talk. But people, we'll go in a video and make you hear what go on.
If we talk about scarcity versus consistency, we can use Alkaline as well. Alkaline, the 2 years in the business where him dominated, and then now it's like, okay, the scarcity, does that really add value to him thing, or you feel like it take away from it?
Scarcity will always add value. It depends on how you do it. Like everything just comes down to the how, and you have to do it in a moderation, because you can make yourself scarce to the point where people just all stop look for you.
And sometimes what?
Nobody now look for you. But
That's the whole thing.
if it's just like anything else in life, once it's done in moderation, then that is the balance, and you just kind of ride the tide.
Right.
But you know, it's a cargo actually, before we get to Alkaline still, cargo.
People, you know, say a babe man is them people talk. It shows Alkaline is very powerful, and him is a real legend, because them a say, yo, them say when Alkaline run 2 years back then, run the place, but like now, brother, at the end of the day, we still talk about Alkaline at 2026. How much artists bust from 2013? About 50 artists bust from 2013, people, and Alkaline them a talk about. For sure, yeah. You understand? Alkaline. So it shows say, yo, the youth always a dominate. If it's a brother we're scarce, right? I don't know to say, but to not talk about him more than the artists them were in on the face or in the spotlight. You don't understand that?
Actually weigh in on the whole situation with Movada and the music and Wagwan. Check the levels.
Check boom your studio and say, I'm going to tell you something, Cargo. Me know say I'm me responsible to promote artists in the dance. But if they don't understand, say you responsible it on social media, they make a sad mistake. So this is what I say. Me know you have that strong love and respect for Movado. So me want you go play the gully god on your platform. Who don't know how long me I tell you to say Avado, but you are one. The people them will love your body, no. But you say if they're not Jamaica, why we stay so? If you care, if you're not see we, you not give it. Me understand them. I just say you go. Who don't want to know so we there? I see this struggle. And I fight it with you now, so me understand. You have one next one with me, I want you. Alkaline. Make sure say you spend 2026 in a Jamaica. And golly God, make sure say go do the show them done 2026 in a Jamaica. Yeah. Alkaline. Listen. That style now work. Take it from me. That style is not working.
Interesting. So
People, so basically what Cargo say, the style, you know, Alkaline move. He move, antisocial, him not in everybody, him not in the spotlight, all of them things. Cargo. From with you forward out and a chat one bag of thing. Every day you call Alkaline name. But this is the problem now, Cargo. Cargo, 1 to your career. How much year you will be consistent in that business? When last you get a hit song? The last time I see Cargo performing to people, I done St. Elizabeth technical, you know. In a St. Elizabeth there, you know. And about you can say about 5 little pitney stand around and in the on the stage alone, people. Cargo, you especially, brother, if you're not dep on the artist level, if you're not dep on the artist level in a way where it don't make no sense you give no comment, bro. You see if me this say yo, your level is more bigger than Alkaline in the dancehall space, and you more a bigger artist Alkaline, I could understand that. You understand? I could understand. But brother, if you're not dep on the level with the man dep on, oh, you are gonna get comment. Because at the end of the day, Every day you dey on people show. Some of the time them not give you no highlight. You dey everywhere. But you're not current. Brother, a TikToker your turn, bro. TikToker. And you as a big artist. And I tell them what you do talk about make sure Alkaline spend the whole of 2026 in a Jamaica. So wait, the man have shows to do outside. Me not understand that. Bro, no go on like you no want to tell people how to do them business and how. Especially uno where, brother, uno no do nothing for uno own career and give comment to other people's career, brother. Where your career the cargo? Fix your career, bro, before you can give comment about this now work. Brother, at 13 years old, I tell Alkaline this. See, youth are going to sell out, youth are about to sell out Barclays now. 50 artists bus from 2013. How much of them are do what the youth are do? Since in bus from 20. How much of them are do it? And every day you give, yo, Alkaline now this. And the artists, them want to see every day. You don't pay them no mind. But you pay Alkaline mind, we don't see. None at all. And some joke thing on the depend, bro. Cargo, go work for your career, go do your dub them, bro, and them look at thing there, brother. And that if you focus on. And start focus on Alkaline career, bro. You see it, you have your own career there. You get few songs back then, way back then, but that's it. You mash up your own career and then you want to come tell me how to do for them career. Brother, Jaja.
Chris, based on where Cargo say, and in particular, his warning for Alkaline, do you agree?
Fair warning, fair warning. I think, interestingly, there are two theories in dancehall, or in the industry, specifically dancehall. One, you can't stay a foreigner bus, but we have seen people like Cranium and others debunk that. But the next one that I don't think anybody have totally rubbished so far is that you can't stay a foreigner and run dancehall. Yes, we know people, we may argue that Cartel is doing it, but I think Cartel is doing it from the vast catalog that he has. When we say run dancehall, we mean like stay abroad and currently making like hits after hits. You understand?
Brother, people, you can know when the gods are there. You can know the gods among them sound. You can know it. Sometimes we hear them talk. This man, no, you see it, everything backfire upon them, people. Because look now, True Cartel move Ghana foreign now. The goalpost change. No, yeah, foreign. Remember, them usually have an artist. Yo, you can't stay from foreign and run no dancehall. Now True Cartel they now. Yeah, you can do it now. Brother, we not use controversy with cartel thing, bro. A controversy we not look pan, brother. Do you understand? Controversy, brother, and hype and them thing. That we not look pan, bro. Cause Cartel real hit song after about 5-6 years now, brother. God is the greatest, bro. So I don't know what you talk about this bag of hits and all of them little thing there. A joke thing that, bro. You see me? But I don't want to stay already.
I don't think no one have really rubbished that theory totally. If they have, I'm open to correction. Just let us know. But I think those two theories, and I think that's the theory that Cargo is actually referring to make the advice to Alkaline.
But let me ask you this though. In this day and age, right, what is better? To run dancehall or to have a global impact?
Well, I feel as if now based on how the world is, I think people are looking. The world is right here in the palm of your hand on your phone. So if you have impact anywhere, it is known. It's not like before you have to travel.
Magnified.
Yes. So like with globalization and all that, it's almost like if you have impact in Jamaica, because personally I think,
brother, yo, you can know when you chat madness, You try to bring forward a point, and it's like you just don't know what you say. You're confused, dog.
If Alkaline was currently running dancehall in Jamaica, he would automatically have even more clout abroad. You understand what I'm saying?
And not just Alkaline. But I guess anybody will run the ground in truth.
Well, not necessarily.
The man say, if Alkaline did run dancehall the ground, he would have more clout outside. What up there you say? This man, I talk about Alkaline right now. Brother, who not call Alkaline name? That's why the girl say a while ago. It's not Alkaline alone. There are other artists. But I don't know how we do it in a youth. But it traces Alkaline great. Because so many artists in a dancehall and a one man name on use. One person name. And the 50 artists were boss from 2013 not doing what he's doing. Some of them not have the catalog we him have. You understand? Some of them now pull the big show where him have. But uno go call him name all him while and say him nah do what him fi do. When the other rest not doing nothing either. But me know say na hypocrite. More I want to talk.
Anybody, because I still think they have to have that kind of international appeal. You understand?
Well, yeah, let me put it into context and don't make it so broad. But yeah, with the international appeal and if you're
the right catalog.
The right catalog,
yes.
And if you're running the place. Even though we have also seen where new entertainers or emerging entertainers then. Like there was a time, for example, when Skilly Bang around the ground and him a doing thing, you see how that translates on the international scene to where him have arenas just whap, 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 word for word, and I do it to the point where you can say that Skilly Bang has gotten a break on the international market.
Yeah, right.
Like you can say that. And he did that without a vast catalog, but
Right.
him do it in a way where he got the opportunity to run the ground and then ultimately work on having that translate, on the international market just the same.
Right.
So I'm saying
So how not talk? I understand this in the people. How not talk? But running the ground, right? Because say Alkaline run the ground about 2 years back then, right? So want to Skilly Bang. When last Skilly Bang run Jamaica, although I'm mostly based overseas, how no not talk about them to one to them artists there? Because we see what Alkaline have pull more people than Skilly Bang. Do you understand? How much when last Skilly get a hit song? Me realize people, me realize once you're within the system there, or you're aligned to a gang or whatsoever where everybody more in tune to, I kind of realize maybe through Skilly, depend on the little Gaza side, I realize things will happen with them not talk the truth through them over that side. That me realize. But everything are with Alkaline. When Skilly now run the ground, but we not call out Skilly. Because we don't have this so-called international this and that and Ray and this and that. But we not say what Skilly I do right now. And that's the problem, you don't talk about Skilly Bang. But you not talk about Alkaline though. You see the hypocrite one and mindset?
that to say, yes, there is credence to running the ground, and there is also a situation where you have people who run the ground, but them not travel.
Right.
Them not have no international shows. Them not have no global impact. Them not have no global reach.
Because I be a hot song them a drop. That are no problem. I be a hot song them a drop. Shaggy and Sean Paul have big song out there. Them not run the ground at the moment. But when the man them go out there in the world, the man them pull the crowd them and all of them little thing, everybody know them. You understand? Kind of feel like say artists have to run the ground all the time for the world acknowledge them, brother. Jamaica is just a small place. You see me? Small place. So no feel like say, if nobody now run the ground, them now do nothing. Brother, you think say fans, artist fans are in a Jamaica alone? Them have fans out there in the world, brother. Where now have the mindset like where they are Jamaica. You see me? That are the problem.
And then that is the other ugly side of the coin. So you find that a lot of people who get the opportunity to travel, who get the opportunity to tour, running the dancehall is no longer like at the forefront of their mind anymore. It's almost like them get an opportunity to see how big the world is.
Yeah, true. But I still feel as if, for the most part, in many cases,
Yes.
people who are looking to whether collaborate with a Jamaican artist or even people on the international scene who are looking to collaborate with a Jamaican artist, most time they're trying to find out who is hot locally or in the diaspora. You understand what I'm saying? So I feel like it really is a delicate balance. It's a delicate balance, but I do think, for instance, Alkaline, if Alkaline should, because Alkaline, I think you need like that. You need to explore other producers. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Explore some energy upon the ground, because he himself as an artist, excellent artist. I think there's so
People, I don't understand this. How much hit song Alkaline have over the years from 2013, and him never did that they on no ground a link up with him a link different producers, all of them little thing there. Bro, when I go and like say there is a rush we say yo run the game, all of this, all of them little thing there, brother. Like bro, some of the time when you use controversy more while for say people are run things in that. And that with Unu, You see me? Because there's so many other artists out there not doing nothing. We don't call them out. But it shows that Alkaline is doing something. Alkaline is doing something. That's why when they are talking, I made certain things. You see me? Because I can't believe so many artists in a dancehall and one youth. Uno are saying for change producer, all of them little thing there, new producer, all. Brother, Alkaline always use different producer, bro. You understand? The man even invent producer. It's producer when nobody never know. You see it? The man make people know, brother. So I don't know what not talk. But kind of realize, bro, not because you see something hot, means it impactful. You understand? Because it no matter how much song or hit song no for them youths you get, them still have the energy where Alkaline have. And the type of music where him have. Because uni in a different world, you know, bro. You see me, uni in a different world. Alkaline try different things. And that's why after years, after like 2 years or 1 year, none of these artists want to prep up, yo, them a run this round the ground. Check if them past 5 years in them career, if them not dead out before 5 years. Because they all doing the same thing. You understand? And people just get tired of that till them career just fade out. You see what I try to say?
So much more for him to contribute, but it's who he's collaborating with. You
Yeah,
understand?
I will agree with you in saying that he needs to give himself an opportunity and a chance to work with other producers to see what kind of magic them can create. But to go back to the point that you made earlier, Chris, in the reasoning, you basically would underscore say people can't really run the ground unless them they are yard.
People hear the hypocrite talk, right? Hear what go on.
Focus right now is on Alkaline, but is the same thing true for like a Vibes Cartel who we know, is living in the US?
Well, remember, I actually said when I
They
said
did
run
try
the
to
ground,
exempt him if he said
Hear the hypocrite people.
because I'm catalog.
him catalog and the impact him already have. But when I say run the ground, I mean like if you constantly find new hits, repeatedly find hits and be current. You understand? Because I don't think Cartel have all this impact, but I wouldn't say it's from his current releases. You understand what I'm saying? So that's what I'm saying. So he would actually be somewhat of an exempt artist, if I'm going to be honest, as it relates to that. But we're talking about, say, all right, finding the hits, finding current hits over and over. I don't think no one has really debunked that theory.
Brother, I be a madness, I be a shit to the panel at all, dog. To be honest. You see what I try to talk about people, them hypocrite with people and not true Vice Cartel. So you are going to say, the running thing from yard, right? So true Vice Cartel in the United States now, you talk about hits and this and it a come from him, the impact and it a come from the song them him do. Back in the days. Then the same thing with Alkaline, brother. Wanna move like hypocrites, so dog. Gonna say make yourself look like stupid. The same thing where I'm with Cartel are the same thing with Alkaline. Brother, Cartel just come from prison where they, bro. You understand? The little prison hype, all of the controversy. That I wanna see, bro. I don't know what you talk about this it's thing, brother. Everybody knows say last year the man get a song. God is the greatest, bro. Una use some hype talking thing for talk about hits. And that una use, bro. Controversy una use for standard dancehall, bro. When a music. Man drop those few songs with you and the little controversy around it. Una feel your man a bag of hits. Brother, una sick in the head, bro. But you sure say na hypocrite because Cartel the US seeing and through the controversy now. The same thing we are going with Cartel, the same thing with Alkaline, bro. When Cartel drop music, rare. People talk about it rare. So when Alkaline drop music, it's the same thing, brother. The two artists them impactful. The two artists them have the hits them. Cartel might have more hits, but Alkaline have hits where people can from back then. You know, I always talk about 2016, this and that and rare. So where you try to say that it don't make no sense. You are try exclude Cartel out of the conversation. A hypocrite move that. You understand? Una try use this and I try take him out. That's why she asked him the question enough. Because he must say, yo, people can run dancehall from overseas or whatever. But you a Cartel, Cartel can do it. So him not in a conversation. Brother, move from here, man.
You get me, sir?
And there is even a way how to do it, because you can find the hit, and like you would have also mentioned, Cranium would have shown us that you can find the hit anywhere, so you find the hit. Say Alkaline finds a hit outside of Jamaica, but then is very strategic in being on the rock to promote the same hit. You find that ultimately, will it have the same impact? In my opinion, I would say yes.
Yeah.
So running the ground don't necessarily mean in the physical sense that you have to be here, but you have to come here, not be here like, you get what I said? Like not be here like, on a regular, like you camp out, that type of thing, because you can find the hit, you are strategic in how, okay, you got to touch 5 shows a yard or 10 shows a yard.
I do. Oh, yo, you know, say I be a madness them people attack people. Be a madness. So, Alkaline have to come at Jamaica to find hits. Me not wait there. Is only Jamaica listen to dancehall or the world? Me not understand this. When nobody now see Cartel and him lock up in a prison and him a find the hit song them, what that? Nobody that see Cartel? More ask. Nobody that see Cartel people? Him never there jail when him a drop the song them. So what the difference if people not see Alkaline? Me not understand that, bro. Me not the amount of artists who no see daily in a parties and shows and them still not get no hit song. You understand? Uno, when we realize it, Uno just want to see Alkaline. That Uno want. Because at the end of the day, brother, as some little friend Alkaline at the business. As some little friend to Uno want Alkaline fall upon the ground and this and that and mingle and way, this, that. Look how much your artists now do that, brother. Them still a find hits. You understand? I kind of realize that Alkaline are the measuring stick for dancehall, you know, because we don't watch what him a do, but we now watch the other rest them. We now find it none at all. Every time Alkaline drop a music, people talk about it. All of them little thing there. You understand? Because at the end of the day, when a song a pop up, you know, I'm sure them people are sing it. Uno a just use controversy that you not use. Uno not really care about the music. A controversy uno look, uno work with. And that's the problem.
We interact with the people them and all of that. Because everything just comes down to strategy.
Yeah, well, nobody know. Well, I don't think nobody have been able to successfully execute that strategy yet. So, and we do it, we want to see it. You understand what I'm saying?
We see where even Sean Paul, like, when him get him break.
Jamaica.
Go and hold that thought there.
Yeah.
You know,
So I feel like so when a song hit in a Jamaica alone. Right. People. Them people are dons. So you tell me say when the song hit in a Jamaica alone hit, then how the artist them for fly and do show if the song only hit in a Jamaica? Me not understand. Like, bro, when the song hit, everybody out there, capacity diaspora and them thing there, I hear what go and I in tune to dancehall. Song bigger Jamaica alone, that's not no hit, bro. You understand? That a no hit, that more like a hot song. A song where I play, yeah, at the moment, but after time that die down. If them go overseas go sing that same song there, the crowd are gonna stand up on them. Hit song, it a go outside of Jamaica, overseas people are play it, them a dance it, everything. You understand? People out there in the world are in tune. When you go out there in the world and you see people are sing a song like choir, I saw you know say alright, it depend on a level. So I don't know when I talk about this Jamaica thing, bro. You understand? Why difference from releasing music overseas and release it a yard? I don't understand that. Because the amount of DJs where do music. Brother, the man them not even in a party, brother. What I talk about? Only just want to see Alkaline pan the ground. You him need to fall pan the ground. This and that and Ray and wait there. Uptown Mondays Alkaline are releasing music them. Or up on the internet. Or up on YouTube where the whole world are listen to and him subscriber and the vlogger them up. I want know. I never know say you have to go Uptown Mondays or one of them dancehall space there. And you just give them something there, the thumb drive or whatsoever, and it play this and it just go straight to the world after that. Like, it just transfer to everywhere. Brother, remember say, yeah, I want a few people in the party, and it just play right there, so. You understand? If video there now, and then them upload it on YouTube, and the people them hear the song and see the crowd reaction, then that will go out there to the world. So anyway you take it, you have to use the internet there to push the music to the world. So it don't make a difference if the person release it over so or so. Once people read the artist and every little thing and him having fans and everything, it a go dead there. The same DJ them a go play it. You understand?
Alkaline did do it in the street though. So I don't know if this is his way of, you know, a touch base with a rock. But check the levels. Antisocial. Oh gosh. Where you make of that? Do you feel like Alkaline take that as, yeah, that's a part of my brand?
Absolutely. I think, if I'm not wrong, I think maybe he's the one that actually, he implied that, or say it in a song or something. But I'm kind of more with Cargo to say, I don't know how much that's working now, to be honest. Because
Yo, that brother, yeah. Yeah, man, a real top hypocrite, dog. Me, I tell you that. Real top hypocrite. You understand? So Alkaline, I do a music video downtown and the clipping and them feel like, say, oh yeah, mingle, go mingle. People want to the superstar them overseas. Like, the only time them mingle and them little thing, they like, now when them a go some shows or perform on stage and them little thing there. Like, you see them in the media every day or what? And them a sell out the biggest set of stadium them. Me not understand that, bro. I don't feel like say I saw it work all the time. The amount of artists me see on the ground, them the every weekly dancehall party in a Jamaica, and them still not find no hits. The DJ them not to recognize them. You understand? Yeah, them will do a little for one play them one song and that's it. It's not helping the artist, bro, because people see you every night at one party. You come on out yourself. You understand? Come on out yourself. For dancehall music for grow, you need the world. You need the world. You understand? Because you know watch what Alkaline I do and not watching with the other rest of artists. You feel like say one man can carry dancehall? You don't feel like that? So if you don't go and watch Alkaline and don't watch what the other artists them a do, you in a deep trouble. Can I call out say yo him not the panic ground, him not find no hits. How much artists in the dancehall not finding no hits? Him not worry about? The same little young youth where I sell out arenas when the other rest them not doing it in a film generation. When the sick in on head dog, me I tell you that.
I would say him need something current. Him need
Him need a hit.
for instance, Bad and BBC Rich would definitely show you that No Emotion was not a hit.
No, it
You
wasn't a
understand?
hit. It wasn't a hit.
It may be your fans may consider it a hit, but it was not a hit. You understand?
I don't understand this dog. People, Movado released a song, Bad and Rich, right? So you know said that was on the Hot Rhythm with DJ Mac, right? Alkaline released him song. I never know say whatever song Movado release, if you do nothing with Alkaline song because him fans are listen to it. When Alkaline drop that song, everybody a talk about it, everybody a play it, all of these things, right? Cause them feel like say, bro, like people are drop music. You have you music after music after music. Right? So you see a little controversy around the DJ Mac rhythm with the song, right? Yes, people buy Alkaline song, it go number 1 on iTunes. Same with the other rest them. People buying the music, right? So where Movado song have to do with Alkaline song? Because to me, Movado song was more like a controversy thing, right? With the Cartel song and Movado song, the Movado had this Alkaline, Movado had this Cartel. That's what me see, the controversy. So when you go say Movado song make No Emotion look like no hit, that's madness, bro. Because you talk about a controversy song. Same like how when Alkaline drop the song, they must say Movado them attack, this man attack and Ray. But through Alkaline release that song like down in January. Movado they on a hot rhythm right now, which are gonna bring controversy. Worse, the same song we are say no make Alkaline song look like a hit. Is the same song where Alkaline is a part of that song because Uno say Movado had this Alkaline. So where that tell you say brother, a controversy not use in bro. You see me? Controversy not use if say yo, a hit song this. When the controversy done, that's it, bro. You understand? That's it. So me not understand what you try to say that.
And if we're going to be honest, of course, the level of the Alkaline deserved the credit and all of that we him get. But 2 years out of, if you run the place for 2 years out of your career versus we have multiple artists who run the place for a decade, then it's like this is the year you have to kind of step in the street and press gas, you know.
Brother, I be mad this in attack. What you mean by how much artists run dancehall for a decade, brother? How much artists run dancehall for a decade? Me not understand this. Because, bro, una use some little controversy thing and what you mean, bro? What you mean? Yeah, say Alkaline run dancehall 2 years and him not do nothing after that. What you mean? And are you there talk about the man in 2026? You know, sick in the head. Look how much artists now run a dancehall and not talk about them. Me not understand this, bro. Because at the end of the day, every year or so back then or so, you have a bag of artists who are boss. Artists are 8 artists are boss for the year. So what you try? Say you go on like say one artist around like say you one artist around the whole decade. Which artist run dancehall for the whole decade, my youth? When you have other artists a boss and I do them thing. What you mean? Yeah, artists might drop a song, but you make it constantly. I say yo, artists run dancehall for a decade. Me not understand that, bro. I feel like so now overrated with that statement there. No dancehall artists no run not so both in a decade. Artists drop song and drop hits, but no means that them run dancehall. So if them a run dancehall, then we would not pay the rest of artists them no mind based on where them a release. What you try say? Since Cartel forward out in a brother from 2018 or so, you know. Seeing? Round them little time, the 2021. Cartel never drop no bag of hits like that, bro. Since him forward out and the little prison release controversy and all of them little thing there. At that, not having no head. Cause last year him get a big song. God is the greatest. And the little controversy around him, headline him, show them and all of them little thing there. And see them and shorty and all of them thing they wanna use, bro. If you say yo, them thing they are internet drama, bro. That is not dancehall, brother. Stop mix up internet controversy with dancehall. Dancehall, yes, is about music. You see, when you use music, you use to run dancehall. Since lately, with the little rhythm and the little thing and the controversy with Cartel, it's your mother song and all of them little thing there, bro. At them thing they now use. You see it? But before that, nothing never did, brother. A shows you now use last year and I say you must sell out the arena them. That you now use. You never run with no music. You understand? So when I say a madness, you see it?
Not only that too, but since 2026 kickoff, it is showing us that, yo, this is the year for the music, where music is at the forefront. You see what going on even with the WYFL rhythm. So I don't feel like entertainers can sit on their usual strategic planning or laid back way of handling the music and feel like they can still dominate or create that same impact. Ultimately, it comes down to what your mission is and what you want. But if you want to be a front runner, if you want to be on top of the conversations, and if you want to run the place like Krista mentioned before, it going to take some different approach and almost like a shake-up.
Yeah.
People, yeah, boy. So now I use DJ Mac Hot Rhythm with over about 156 artists. How much of the artists on really talk about on the rhythm? With 156 artists they on the rhythm, how much you not talk about out of that? The rhythm hot enough people, right? I know who them a talk about when they on the rhythm? Alkaline. Alkaline have to go on the rhythm. Look how much artists they on the rhythm, Alkaline not talk about. You no keep on a contradict on yourself. You there say nah do this and him nah do that and way. Then if him nah do nothing, why not talk about him then? Or not talk about the artists them where actually do things. Me not understand that. It a show me say yo, Alkaline really do things in a dancehall, because if every day them talk about this and that, it must have do something, because the artists them when not do nothing. You not talk about enough of them not talk about, as me say people, a 50 artist boss since 2013. And the most consistent name and everything and legacy and catalog are Alkaline have it. Alkaline have it. You understand? You go check the stats. Because of him, since 2013, I sell out arenas. I him have a bad catalog. You understand? So, I don't know what I really talk about. Because at the end of the day, out of the young generation, I him do it. All you say this artist, I run the ground, I run the this, I run the that. But you still can't pull. Them still see man still cannot pull what Alkaline do. You understand? But it's like, as me say, no for no pass the 2020 vision. So I understand.
Because I think Alkaline probably got his big break in 2016. And that's I use that. You used to have this thing about 2016.
Yes, song.
Yes, so I'll call it, we're in 2026 now. That's 10 years, a decade. And if outside of that 10 years, that decade, there was 2 years that you dominated the place. But after that, but since then, it's like warm, lukewarm, cool. Then I feel like, say, for your name to be called among
The greats. Or to
we
be
need a couple more years out. You understand what I'm saying? Because if you talk about Bunty, Beanie, Capleton, Cartel, these are people where a year, 2 years was not, 2 years was a joke. That you understand what I'm saying?
So I really just called Massacre a while ago. Yo, me I tell them people are dumb, you know. Brother, I can't be, it show me say Alkaline a real legend in a dancehall. I can't believe say them people are compare with Cartel do. Beanie and Bounty them were in from a bus from in the 90s. Cartel were bus from the early 2000s. Alkaline were bus 2013. And from that youth bus, the youth are do it non-stop. Him a do it non-stop because where them a run with a hype and hotness. But them same hype and hotness artists are not doing what he's doing. So you don't realize what you are doing. You know? You say the youth more years and all of them something there. But you compare him with them mania. We're in the game for so much years. How long Bounty in the years? How long Beanie Man in the years? How much years Cartel in the business? Alkaline just gone 13 years, brother. And for uno talk about him with them mania, uno not do it with another artist, you know. Me not see uno compare no other artists to them mania. Me not see uno do it. And that's because uno know what the youth do. You understand? That's the problem. Because when not talk, you can say, yo, uno kind of in on no feelings. Because when not talk, uno know say uno shot on yourself.
And I don't feel like, say, Alkaline songs are world smash hits. You understand? Most of them are core hits. Same way, just like with some, so a lot of these names that we call have hits that were more or that are more impactful than Alkaline's hit. But I guess nobody not talk about that.
Yeah. 2026, like I said in a previous pod, it is going to be an interesting year. An interesting year also for the music. And you can't keep doing the same thing and expect different results. And I definitely feel like Cargo is onto something. Yes, him know the industry. He's also an artist and he's a part of the business. And you may have somebody say, like, if Cargo have all this advice and him knows so much, why him don't apply it to himself and give us a hit?
Yes, man. Radam. When since Cargo get a hit? About how much years now? About 10 years now or more. Yeah, about 10 years. Cause Cargo get him break before Alkaline. Yeah. So Cargo about 15 years now. Cargo no really get no song, brother. So how Cargo fi tell Alkaline what fi do? Me not understand this. Brother. It's like a man where drive taxi. I tell Bill Gates or tell them your money, I say, yo, this and that. When them money had year millions of dollars and all of them little thing there. Me not understand that, bro. Cargo don't even have a good catalog, brother. Him don't have a good catalog. All me know me remember with Cargo, I now sell out my friend them. And girl dash you road. That was about 3 songs me know about with Cargo, bro. When me can say, yeah. Me no know no other song. So how Cargo fi say, yo, this a youth have a move. Alkaline a move for years and him still a find song. Him still a get bookings for show. Him still a get all of them little something here. The man have him own show. I keep worldwide. And uno there a chat madness. But find this and find that. How much artists in a dancehall I keep them own a show worldwide? It's like I kind of realize on the brain in a matches box. I don't realize. That's why Alkaline say everything will make sense soon.
You have somebody where I think that.
No, who, me?
No, I'm saying you have somebody that is thinking that. You say him have all this advice and all of this. So, you know, why him don't just take him own advice and give him a hit as well.
People, I tell you, say, yo, them people here, you know, say at first me I review them, you know. And me I tell you, yo, especially the brother over here, so. I don't know where him come from. I kind of see say him not rate Alkaline. Him not like, the way him talk, you can see say, him a more like a Gaza man. The way how him talk. Because some of the time the way him talk, you can see say the girl counter back the question and ask him and say, yo, if you ever say this about Alkaline, want to cartel thing like when they overseas, then where am I do now, him a move the goalpost because of cartel, to make it look good for cartel when it's not. You understand? Because them a use controversy, that them a use. You see it? And that's madness. Controversy not survive for too long, bro. You see it? It have a moment, it die down. So if I something you talk about, if you talk about bread, the conversation I go done. If you talk about this, it I go done. You see it? So at the end of the day, a music live on. See Bob Marley then I'm grave right now, and the music them still a live on. You see no controversy around Bob Marley? No controversy and the music a work for him. You see me think controversy a go work for you? Nah work for you, brother. You see it? Unless it's something where, you know, where overhype. I just start. You see me people, but people big up on yourself and don't know one media facts, you know. That is it.